All right, Verydarkman has come out to appreciate Nigerians for standing by him during the time the EFCC arrested him till he get out. He showed his gratitude appreciating Nigeria. Well, I'm not surprised. Verydarkman should not expect the least from Nigeria because he has been standing for others. So this is one thing I like about Nigerians. When Nigeria wants to deal with you, they will deal with you to the core. And whenever Nigeria wants to lift you up, they will make sure you get there. And the support they showed Verydarkman was very, very massive. Watch, just sit back and watch and see what Verydarkman said and the narration he gave on this particular video. And don't forget to drop your like, your comments, and also share. If you are new to the channel, help us and click on the subscribe button so that this kind of video will be reaching to you all the time.
All right, so before we go into the story proper, I just want to appreciate all the people that lended the voice when I was in there. I swear to God, the day I came out and they gave me a phone and I saw everything that has happened on the internet while I was in there, I swear to God, I almost cried because I wasn't expecting anything. I was expecting myself to just go inside and come out when I come out and then just continue what I do, because nobody they break me. I must talk. That's just me. I must talk. Anything that wants to happen, let it happen. So fast enough for the betterment of the country, I must talk. So I wasn't expecting anything. When I came out, I showed a lot of video. I almost cried, I swear. So I want to appreciate a lot of people. This video go long, it go long. That's just the truth. The video will be long. So if you watch them for your Instagram finish, complete, you go YouTube, because Instagram na 12 minutes. You go YouTube. If you no one go YouTube, you go Facebook, where if you accommodate long video, because this video will be long. It's an appreciation video and I don't want to forget anybody. Right. So now I posted a video yesterday. People were expecting me to post an appreciation first, but I posted the video and I'll tell you why. That video was out of anger. It was out of anger. Now, when I came out and I saw everything, I said I need to appreciate everybody. So I told my friend, make me a list. You understand? Make me a list of everybody that posted my picture, posted a video, that used the hashtag, that at least lended a voice. You understand? Because lending a voice to Verydarkman is also contributing to lending a voice for the future. It does not have to only be Verydarkman. Anytime you say something against injustice, you are contributing to the betterment of Nigeria in the future. Anytime you just say this is injustice, you don't contribute. Do you understand? So I told him, I said, give me the list of everybody. And we went to Billionaires, we got a phone. Got a phone. As I tried to log in my own iCloud, it didn't work. I said, okay, still get me the list. Make I look for another alternative way to log in on all my social media. Let's move. This guy now tried to log in on his iCloud. They've also logged him out. It was very annoying because this guy don't do anything. Now me, you want arrest, but you collecting phones and everything, so you can't log out in on iCloud. It was annoying. That's why I made the video yesterday to say, you know what, this is it. But well, they cannot stop us. We will still appreciate what we need to appreciate. So in no particular order, I'll start with Ihedioha and partners, my team of lawyers who have stood by me for the longest. These people don't try because they sue us way. I no go lie. They knock us lawsuits anyway. For anybody, when I say make I lend my voice to, they go knock us lawsuits. All the people that they fight for, they must knock us lawsuits. And now we they carry the matter for head and we cannot lose. So the Ihedioha and partners, you people have done a lot for me and I really want to appreciate Barrister Ihedioha himself. You don't try. I beg, why would I appreciate Barrister Ihedioha? Is he not a comrade? Let him go and stay one place. Comrade! But Barrister Ihedioha is not a correct guy. So but I will move on. Let's go to Barrister Marvin Omorogbe. Barrister Marvin Omorogbe, I just want to say a special thank you to you for standing with, even inside the interrogation room, you were there. So thank you, Barrister Marvin Omorogbe. Barrister Z Tega, I cannot call your full name because you call me the shout. You call my name on social media. Why would you call my name on social media? I don't like media. Even Barrister Marvin does not like media. That's the craziest part. They don't like media in that office. I don't know why. But anyways, to the Ihedioha and partners and everybody in the Ihedioha and partners, I just want to say a special thank you to you. God bless you. Now, Tunde Ednut, when I came out, all the videos on Tunde, they are expected because Tunde is a very passionate Nigerian. And also, a lot of people don't know. Some videos and some matter when I carry up. Now, Tunde sometimes they send out to me, say, Vidian, see one thing where they go do to one girl. This one no be about celebrity. Random person. See one thing what they do to one girl. Yeah, man, why they will do this kind of thing? I beg, what can you do? Tunde go send me message. I'll go look for way. It's not everything that comes on the internet. You understand? But Tunde is a very passionate Nigerian. I'm not going to lie. That man has a freaking American passport. If he like me, no come this country for 50 years, he's an American. But he go still talk for Nigerian matter. He did talk steady and it's surprising. He has a lot to do. If they just do, they post the advert, they collect money. But you see him talk about politics, talk about everything. So shout out to you, Tunde Not. God will bless you. I know the people that they close to you and know you, they know say if not your guys, you must always stand for your guys, regardless. You know go care. You understand? Whether they threaten, you know they care. You must talk when your guy is they involved, even when your guy not even they involved. So shout out to you, Tunde Not. Thank you for lending a voice and using your platform to speak up against injustice. Now to Cubana chief priest, a lot of you don't know. God, I cannot say this on this internet, but I'm going to tell people the role Cubana chief priest plays in all of this. In this, Cubana chief priest played a very important role, but I can't say. I don't know. Even himself go pray, make I not talk in name. But Cubana chief priest, I just want to say a special thank you to you. You know, thank you very much, Cubana chief priest. Now, one person that surprised me is Uncle Femi Falana, SAN. Because we are in court, I didn't expect him to say anything. You understand? Even though I wasn't expecting anybody to say anything, but when I came out and I saw that Uncle Femi Falana SAN had condemned the arrest, I was surprised. You know, and I said to myself, I go tell by strategy, we go come up for court. This court tell me Uncle Femi Falana day, we are not even supposed to be there. This is a grand patron of activism. You understand? But for some reason, I think the whole thing that happened just happened, you know. So thank you, Uncle Femi Falana. You are the father. You have shown that you are the father, and God bless you. And like I said, by strategy and Ihedioha and partners, my lawyers, we have to look for a way to go and talk to Baba. We have to leave court. It doesn't matter who win at this point. Fuck the court case. We have to leave the court, you know. So Uncle Femi Falana, thank you. Now I don't know how to do this. Like I said, in no particular order. Now Jojo of Lily is one woman that was at the forefront. You know, I even texted her, I said, when you don't turn activist, Jojo of Lagos, you know, you really tried. I was surprised seeing all the videos that was made. You were there, your voice don't even go. I even laughed at some. You know, Jojo of Lagos, you tried. I don't know the kind of words to qualify to say to you, but thank you. Thank you, Jojo. I'm not going to appreciate my brother because he's my brother. I'm not going to appreciate Coco P because he's my friend. He should get out. He should get out. He should get out. Davido also said, why would I appreciate Davido? It's my brother as well. Davido, please, you have to get out as well, please. Thank you very much. Let's see road. Eberi Papa Honor Bayosa lended his voice. Thank you, Eberi Papa Honor Bayosa. Peter P Square. You know, when I came out to say a post on Peter P Square, I was surprised. Not because Peter P Square is not somebody that can do that, because he lended the voice. You know, how will I say this now? Peter P Square always lends his voice, speaks up against injustice. But maybe I was just not expecting it. Even though we speak, we dey talk. Me and Peter P Square is my guy. We talk, not about their issue. Before they'll say, me and they go talk about their matter. No, we talk. He's my guy. We talk about Jaws, because he's from Jaws. Talk about, you know, music, his performances and everything. Sometimes he gives a good performance. I say, bro, man, because I've been a P Square fan since like 2006. You know, also shout out to Rude Boy. You know, Rude Boy too. It's my G. Even though I want P Square to come back, I really hope he come back. You know, I really hope he come back, because this one be like my family. Even though now recently we start to, based on platform and all that, I don't dey listen to P Square for the longest, bro. They be like people when they sit down, they talk to every day. So P Square, please, we need you guys. Please. Seun Kuti, of course. Seun Kuti, I'm not going to say thank you to you. You're my blood. So please, Seun Kuti, you have to leave this list. You must talk self regardless. There's no way you will not talk. Seun Kuti, the big bird. Love you, bro. Please stay on one side. Let's continue. Yeah. Now I saw a lot of Nollywood chicks that put up a picture. Even the one that said, oh, Verydarkman has said something bad about me before. A lot of them, you know. A lot of them. They lended their voice. I can't call your names because I don't want to forget anybody's name, especially with the women in the Nollywood. because now women, now they emotional. If you go call one person, I no call one person at first. But to everyone that posted a picture to say free VDM, regardless of whether you feel I've insulted you before or not, I just want to say thank you. Thank you to all the beautiful Nollywood women, the ones with the BBL of 2. I call it Robber Nyash, but I still love you regardless. It is one Nigeria. So thank you very much. Yes, thank you very much. God bless you. Now, they can call the entire area. To all my Durumi boys, because I watch other protest video, I see all of now. I say, what the fuck? Now the whole Durumi stand up. The whole Durumi stood up, man. The whole Durumi. I see the video. I see lawyer. I see them John. I see Shefty. Shefty where Sabi fear. I see Shefty for front. I see Shefty for front. I was like, what the fuck? Lawyer Panepita, I saw you there. I saw almost all the old Durumi, boys. So shout out to all my Durumi boys. I go see come area. I'll see come area. When I'm my men, people know what's up. Now, shout out to all my guys at Kubwa, the ones that came all the way from Kubwa. I see all of them. Shout out to all my guys that came all the way from Kubwa. Shout out to all my guys that came from Pape. Shout out to all my guys that came from Gwarimpa. Shout out to all my guys that came from every corners of Abuja, Maraba, Nyanya. Shout out to all of you. God bless you. Now, Very Fair Man came all the way from Port Harcourt. Man, Very Fair Man, you tried. Impressive. Lord Zeus came all the way. Impressive. All the way Bube, the talking drum. Impressive. I saw it. I was like, what? I saw your airport when you're coming down from the airport. I was like, you said come Abuja. You don't understand. A lot of people came to Abuja and it was all love. I saw a lot of video. They lended their voice. They were on the street of Abuja protesting and all that. So thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I really appreciate. I don't want to forget anybody. To all my people in Jos, I saw the love that came from Jos, Yazobi, Abayomi, Malangwa, all of you in Jos, everybody that spoke up in Jos, from Terminus down to Rayfield, everybody where talk, from Terminus to Rayfield, to even the Bokos, to all the communities where talk. Shout out to you, God bless you. To all the rattles in Lagos, represented fully. I see you, thank you, God bless you. To all the rattles in Port Harcourt stood up 100. So all the rattles in Delta State, all my men for Delta State, I wish I can call names, but I can't, obviously. So all my men in Delta State, to all my river crew, all the men ready for river, you understand, and all the ones ready for land, river and land. May God bless you. To the ones in Bayelsa, I saw you lended the voice. To the ones in Kano, to all my guys ready Kaduna, to all my guys in Kaduna, to all my guys in Benue, to all my guys in Kogi, you understand? Me, even when they do that protest, I say, me no reach Kogi. See all those Ibira boys, all those my Ibira friends, when they do that Kogi, they know the year word. Ibira boys, when you not go change? I say, me this thing no good, Ibira, that, now wahala, To all my Kogi Ibira boys, to all my Gala boys, I see you. To all my guys in Kano, in Kaduna, in Adamawa, the ones ready for Bruno, I see you too. God, I don't want to forget nothing, and I don't want to forget no one. To all the influencers on Facebook, I went on Facebook, my pictures was everywhere on Facebook. To all my people on Facebook, I see you, God bless you. To all my people on TikTok, TikTok was crying out loud. I see you. To all the ones on Twitter, Dami Adenuba, Oyidamola, my guy, Abbas, correct guy, Abbas, Poja, God, I don't want to forget no one. These are all men on Twitter. God bless you. Hey God, if I forget, the truth is that this is not like the 15th time I don't make this video. Honestly, 15th time. Because I kept on cutting and making new ones. I don't want to forget nobody. Please, God, let me not forget nobody. So all the mamas in Nollywood, all the big mamas, thank you very much. God bless you. To all the mamas, Hilda Dukubo, Rita Edoche, God of Israel, man. I don't want to forget nobody. I don't want to forget nobody. That's why I wanted a list, but I could not get a list, and I need to do this on time. You know, to other people on YouTube, to other people on YouTube as well, making different videos on YouTube. To other people in different countries. To Jesus, the people in the UK. To other people in the UK. You know, I saw the protests in the UK as well. I saw the one in Belgium. I saw the one in Germany. Saw the people in UK, Germany, Belgium. You know, I just want to say a special thank you to you. God, I really don't want to forget anybody or any people that played an important role, but I couldn't get a list, and I needed to do this so that people don't feel I don't appreciate them. But I really do appreciate. To my Baba, of course. Thank you, Baba. I heard that you killed chickens. Say Baba Kifao. So Baba, shout out to you. To all the people in Ilorin, to my mama in Ilorin, Mommy Emi, I see you. That's my auntie. Thank you very much. I don't want to forget anybody, but I just want to say thank you. Just want to say thank you to everyone. If I forget to mention you or forget where you stay, or I just say and it wasn't mentioned, it wasn't intentional, I just could not remember, and I had limited time to do this because I need to do this appreciation, you know. But anyways, I'll just say this to all the rattles, all over the world. I just want to say thank you and I appreciate you for lending your voice, not because it is Verydarkman, and also because injustice is injustice, you know. So thank you very much. Thank you, and God bless you. And don't play, else you go on and you will learn the hard way. Don't play.